There's a ridge where the wild winds wander, past the laurel and the pine, where the streams run clear from the mountain spine, and the trees still stand with time. They said no to roads, they said no to greed. They heard the forest call, the Highlands folks with a vision deep to protect it all. They're the stewards of the knob, where the red cedar grows, where the granite domes hold stories no one knows. They walk the trails not for glory or for gain, but to guard the sacred silence in the rain. With the raven and the bear, they keep their vow, and Cedar Knob still breathes even now. Since 80 to 83, they've stood their ground with a hammer made of care, saving land 1 acre at a time from the grip of those unaware. From Satulah's rise to the Cullasaja's bend, to our little mountain cove, they've kept the heart of this land alive in every grove. They're the stewards of the knob, where the red cedar grows, where the golden rod and lichen softly glow. They don't boast, they don't claim, they just trust in the land, with a map in the soul and a firm, gentle hand. They don't own the mountain, they serve it somehow, and Cedar Knob still breathes even now. Let the hikers come with quiet boots, let the students learn the names, let the fire rings burn with old soul roots, let the silence stake its claim. Oh, there's no cathedral greater made than a forest left to stand, and these good folks, they guard it still with open hands. Yes, they're stewards of the knob and the hills beyond, of Grindstone's cliffs and the ancient song. They tend the flame of this old green vow that Cedar Knob still breathes even now. So raise your voice for the land they love, and the promise that they keep, for the Highlands-Cashiers Land Trust walks where the roots run deep.